Welcome to your afternoon reset. So especially when the days are long, we sometimes wake up early, we go to bed late, and instead of taking a nap after lunch, it's sometimes a really nice idea to do a few gentle yoga moves. They help to top up our tanks, recharge the batteries, give us a real good amount of rest, but without that deep grogginess that we get if we fall asleep. So let's practice these gentle moves together, all designed to match the summer season, the summer energy, and help lift us up. So you don't need any equipment, just you and the ground and a few moments to yourself. So we're going to begin with child's pose, knees nice and wide, big toes together, and reach your arms out in front of you for starters. Bring your forehead towards the floor. Now, if your shoulders are happy, I invite you to bend your elbows, bring your palms together, and let your hands come towards the back of your head. This is putting just a little bit of an extra stretch into your arms, into your shoulders, which is where the meridian lines lie for fire element, and this is what matches the summer energy. So it helps us to balance the energy that we feel in the summertime. Staying for another 5 or 6 breaths here. And slowly release your arms down. Allow yourself to roll all the way up to sit. Take your time. Bring those knees in. Bring your hands to rest on your legs. If this isn't comfy, you can come onto your bottom. And just take a few moments to notice how you feel. Where are your energy levels at today? How full is your battery? Good, and then let the arms come back behind you as the legs come out in front of you, feet on the floor, knees up to the sky. And just very gently here, taking a little bit of a windscreen wiper with the knees. Good. Then coming back to the center, stretch your legs out. Now, if you have any discomfort in your lower back or your hips, then I invite you to pop a little cushion underneath your bottom now. As we come into the next shape, bring your left leg up towards you, give it a nice squeeze, a little rock, and then bring the knee to stack on the bottom leg. And again, if there feels like there's any discomfort here, you can bring a cushion between these knees. We're going to keep the bottom leg straight, or you can tuck it under. This is up to you. See how things feel. And then stretch your right arm up towards the sky. Bend your elbow and bring the palm to your upper back. Now your right hand you can bring to this upper elbow, or you can wrap the arm around you. Back of the hand comes to your lower back, your middle back, or fingertips to meet the top hand. Breathing in, let your elbow reach up towards the ceiling. And then a nice long breath out. Make sure your belly and your chest and your throat are nice and open. And make sure that the chin isn't down towards the chest. You can close your eyes. Good. And then slowly release your upper arm. Slowly release your lower arm. Give your shoulders a nice roll. The hands a little shake. And lean back into the hands. Re-stretch your right leg out. Take a big breath in here. And as you exhale, start to crawl your hands forward, either side of this front leg. And just let the chest soften forward. You can keep that bottom foot slightly flexed. Take a few moments here, and if it feels fine, you can let the head and neck be soft too. Close your eyes. Maybe taking a couple of slightly longer exhalations here. Good, and then slowly roll all the way back up to sit. Lean into your hands, stretch both legs out, give things a point and a flex or a little shake, and then draw the other leg in. Give yourself a little rock here and bring this knee to stack. Your bottom leg can stay straight or it can fold under, and then when you're ready, reach that right arm up towards the sky. Bend your elbow, palm to the upper back. Taking that left hand to that top elbow or wrapping the arm around your back of the hand to land on your lower back. Scooch it up towards the middle of the back, or fingertips come to me. Wherever you are, take a few breaths. Maybe noting that one side feels slightly different to the other. And using those exhalations to allow a sense of release, of letting go. Still working into those arm lines, the meridian lines associated with the fire element. And when in balance here, we feel this spontaneous joy that you can feel around the summertime, where you want to play, where you want to stay up late, do all the things. But it's when these lines or when this energy is out of balance, release the arms down, we can find it hard to maintain boundaries. We can end up doing too much, and then we end up getting a little bit exhausted, maybe even burnt out. Let that bottom leg stretch out. So this is why we need to take moments here to rest. Breathe in, open up. Exhale, fold. So this practice is designed to balance the summer energy and give us the chance we need to rest. Maybe let the head and neck be heavy. And slowly, slowly coming back to sit. Give your shoulders a nice roll. Lean into your hands. This time, bottoms of the feet back to the floor. Little knock of the knees from side to side. And then slowly scoot your bottom a little bit further down the mat. Bring yourself to the floor and let the bottoms of your feet come together. Your arms can open out to the side here, palms face up. And taking a few big breaths into the whole front side of you, hips, belly, chest. And you can stay here for as long as you like. When it's time for you to come back, gently draw those legs back in, give yourself a nice squeeze. Slowly rock and roll all the way back up to sit. And hopefully you feel nice and energized, ready to step back into your day. Take a big breath in and a long breath out. Thank you for practicing with me. Thank you so much for joining me for this short practice. Now, this is just a tiny taste of all that we have to offer here at the Frog Project. We have an online yoga portal with over 25 live classes every week with myself and 6 other really lovely, friendly, very, very good teachers. We have a wonderful community of like-minded people. So you come along, maybe even make a friend, and you can practice anything with us, from gentle yoga like this for half an hour or an hour. You can help get strong and come and do some yoga with light weights or water bottles, or come and relax completely in our 30-minute dedicated meditation relaxation classes. So there's something here for everybody. However you are feeling, come along, be part of this incredible yoga home. There is space for you, and we would love to see you there. Also, you get a 15-day free trial, no card, no commitment, so really absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. Thank you for listening to me. Click the link that's just below and have a little look around. If you've got any questions, also drop me a line. I'm Carrie, and I can't wait to hear from you soon.